Welcome to Mandata's How Do I series. How do I view a POD in TMS Go? Firstly, I need to look at the job, so I'll go to the menu and browse to the jobs section as shown. In this example, I'm just going to pick job number 3, which is at the top. This will open up the job screen, and at the top in one of the tabs it says documentation. If you select this, it will show you any documents and PODs that are attached to the job. At the top right there are some icons. The disk will save the document to your local disk. The printer icon will print to your local printer. And then finally the email icon, which we're going to use in this example. Is put in who you're sending the POD to. Obviously a subject for the email. And then just some body text just to explain what the email is regarding. The system will automatically attach the POD as a PDF to the email for you. So once you've completed the body text, you just simply press send, and the system will send that for you. Once you've done that, you can close this screen, close any other screens that you have open, and that's how you view and email a POD in TMS Go. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.